super fresh at hot off the press. Artista update para sa inyong mga beshi.
Sa birthday ni Seve, sobrang natuwa si Tony Gonzaga sa mga gifts mula kina Villar at Mariel. Isa sa mga favorite gifts ni Seve ay ang Pokemon toys. Kaya naman super saya ng bata. Pagkakita pa lang ni Seve sa mga bagong laruan, kitang-kita ang kanyang excitement. Hindi lang siya ang natuwa, pati si Polly. Nag-join na rin sa kasiyahan habang tinitingnan ang mga cute na Pokemon toys ng kuya niya.
Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Wow! Wow! Nakikiusi.
Wait lang.
Oh, wow! Wow!
Thank you, Tita Mark, Tita Em, and Emma.
Yes! Grabe naman! Wow! Thank you! Say thank you, Tita Ma, Isabella, and Gabriela. Show the gift! Show the gift! Wow!
That's happy birthday!
I just
You're
got
8. Hey, you're so pawis ha.
You know that I got 30,000 for free? You know
Why?
that?
Why?
Because Lola
Lola
gave
Vicky
me-
gave you?
Yeah,
Wow!
She gave me that for free. You know, for free. Literally free. Like,
Polly! Polly! Sorry! Polly, come here. Walk again. Walk, walk. Hi, Suri. Oh, behave to Suri. Come here. Your hand, your hand.